Yo, the whole world's been going crazy trying to snag these Big Energy Labubus. And me? I've basically been in an online street fight with Pop Mart for 5 months just to get this box. So here's the deal. It's got 6 colors in it, but we're really after the gray secret Labubu. The odds? 1 in 72. So are we actually gonna hit the secret today? Only one way to find out. Let's unbox this thing together. Here we go. Okay, I've literally never had a Labubu before. And this box? It took me 5 months to get. 5. So yeah, I am way too excited right now. Let's rip this dirty old plastic off and finally see what's inside. And boom, we're ready to go. Let's set this box up all nice and pretty, because you know we gotta make it look good before the chaos begins. So a full box comes with 6 colors, 1 of each, and if you're super lucky, the secret gray Labubu. Personally, I've got my eye on the green Serenity one. That's my fave, and I cannot wait to see it. Tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. Let's jump in. So here's the first one. It's nice and shiny. This is version 3, so they have these nice colorful baggies. Okay, let's see who it is. Oh my god, it's Serenity! The green Labubu, my absolute favorite one. Look at those ears. 2 different shades of green, super cool. The keychain's metal too, with the monsters on one side and Pop Mart on the other. Check out the face. 9 little teeth and those eyes, sparkly green glitter. I'm obsessed! Now here's something fun. Every Big Energy Labubu comes with a secret blacklight feature. That's how you know it's the real deal. For the Big Energy series, the eyes glow under blacklight and only the left ear lights up. See? Verified straight from Pop Mart. I'm so stoked we pulled my favorite first. And check this out. Bonus time. Each Labubu comes with its own collector card. Here's Serenity's little green card, looking super cute. I'm honestly so hyped I pulled this one. Which Labubu would you want to snag? Drop it in the comments. Alright, let's see which monster is next. Alright, for our next pick, we've got Loyalty, the pink lemonade Labubu. How cool is that? I love the 2-tone colors. She's got pink and yellow on the ears, and those eyes, sparkly pink and yellow glitter. So good. Version 3, Big Energies, also come with a little tag you can scan to check authenticity, which is a nice touch. And here's the collector card, a perfect pink Loyalty to match. So now we've got Serenity and Loyalty in the lineup. 2 down, but can we still hit that secret gray Labubu? Let's find out. Alright, Labubu number 3. Let's give this shiny bag a little shake for good luck. And, nice, we pulled the blue Labubu. Hope, I'm really into this one. Honestly, it's gonna look great with my blue jeans. Check out the details. 2-tone ears and those glittery blue eyeballs that almost look magical. And of course, here's the Hope collector card to match. So far, we've got Serenity, Loyalty, and now Hope. 3 down, and I'm getting more and more excited to see what's next. Could the secret still be hiding in here? Alright, what's it gonna be? Whoa, it's Luck, the purple Labubu. This color is gorgeous. Honestly, I could rock this one as part of my Easter Sunday outfit. Check it out. 2-tone purple ears, glittery purple eyes, even little purple toenails. Love it. Here's the collector card too. A perfect match for our lucky purple Labubu. And hey, I'm feeling pretty hyped right now. So let's make this fun. If we hit 5,000 subscribers by October 31st, 2025, I'll give away my extra Labubu. Yep, you heard me. So smash that like, subscribe, and share button and drop a comment with your favorite Labubu set and color. And don't forget to share this with a friend who loves Pop Mart too. Now we're down to just 2 left. Could the secret be hiding in here? Let's find out. Alright, what color is it going to be this time? I'm loving these colorful strings on the bags. And yes, it's Happiness, the peach Labubu. Such a pleasant color. Honestly, I could totally dress this one up in pumpkin gear for Halloween and carry it through haunted houses. Check out the details. 2-tone peach ears, matching peach toes, and those sparkly peach eyes. I'm obsessed with the glittery eyes. And of course, here's the peach collector card to go with our happiness monster. I really love how all these colors come together with that tie-dye fur. They all look so good lined up. But now, we're down to the last one. Only one chance left to hit the secret gray Labubu. Right now, we've got loyalty, hope, luck, happiness, and serenity, which means the only one missing is the red love Labubu. So, is it gonna be love? Or could it be the secret? Let's find out. Okay, I'm actually getting nervous now. I think this could be the gray one. Let's give it a shake for good luck. Strings off. Moment of truth. Did we get the secret, or is it love? And it's love, the red Labubu. Not the secret this time, but hey, that just means I get to keep chasing. This one's still awesome though. Bright red, perfect as an accessory for Christmas or Valentine's Day. Two-tone red ears, glittery red eyes, and even the tiniest little red toenails. Super cute. And there we go, the full Labubu color set. We've got loyalty, hope, love, luck, happiness, and serenity all lined up. The only one left out there is the secret gray. So the game isn't over yet. Now I want to know, which one's your favorite? And remember, if you like, subscribe, share this video, and leave your favorite Labubu plus color in the comments. You'll be entered for a chance to win one if I hit 5,000 subs by October 31st, 2025. Let's make it happen, Snack Squad, and maybe next time we'll finally pull that secret. If you enjoyed this, make sure to check out my other unboxings, snack reviews, and travel adventures in the playlists. And heads up, I've got a set of Mickey Head in the Clouds keychains from Minnesota coming up soon, so don't miss that. Let me know in the comments what adventures you'd like me to go on next. And just remember, adventure tastes better with snacks.